Hello friends, I am Harmandeep Singh from Mobile City. Today we are going to unbox the both Oppo latest model F19 Pro and F19 Pro Plus. Both are similar products. Let's check out first the F19 Pro. Here you can watch it's a 13 watt Whoop Flash Charge 4.0 and dual video that you can record both front and back cam simultaneously together. And the second major upgrade is AI color portrait video and system performance optimizer. These are major highlights from Oppo, and so let's check out what's inside the box. So as you can say, the design is very aggressive, you can check out. And I think the back it's matte finish, and the camera console are same. I think it's look familiar to OnePlus 80, as we know that all these brands there's only one owner, so it's just take I think 20-30 seconds to start. And as you can see, that touch is very responsive. So pre-booking offers are going at Mobile City. You can visit Mobile City and check out it's on pre-booking you have HDFC cashback and one free gift on when you buy and screen replacement too. So visit Mobile City. Thank you. The second we are unboxing F19 Pro Plus. Let's check out what the difference in F19 Pro is. It's pretty similar, just we have 5G badging here, nothing special. And the company claims that it's Oppo Smart 5G, and F19 Pro it have 30 watt charger, and in F19 Pro we have 50 watt charger. That's quite cool, and it's come with 5G connectivity, and the pricing goes 26,000 only, and rest everything is similar, and I think little bit difference in video experience. And pre-booking is also going, and you will get the first sale is going on 17th March, and you can visit Mobile City for more details and check out live demo and to get the pre-booking offers. Thank you.